Welcome to another exciting exploration of natural remedies. Today we dive into the world of the burdock root, a plant native to northern Asia and Europe. For thousands of years, this unique plant has been valued not just for its culinary uses, but also for its potent medicinal properties. It's been a cornerstone in traditional medicine, used to treat a variety of conditions, from skin issues to diabetes, and even cancer. Burdock root is incredibly versatile. You can consume it as a vegetable, brew it into a tea, or take it as a supplement, making it an accessible remedy for everyone. It's rich in antioxidants and nutrients, earning it a solid place in the realm of health and wellness. But it's not just its nutrient profile that's impressive. Burdock root is known for its blood-purifying and anti-inflammatory properties, underlining its potential as a holistic health booster. So why is this root gaining popularity? Let's explore its amazing benefits, all backed up by scientific findings. Before we go any further, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. First on our list, burdock root has proven to be a friend to our skin. This humble plant, native to northern Asia and Europe, has been making waves in the world of natural remedies, especially when it comes to skin health. Now let's get down to the science of it. Burdock root's skin-friendly properties can be attributed largely to its rich anti-inflammatory compounds. Inflammation, as we know, is often the villain behind various skin conditions. It's the body's natural response to harmful stimuli, resulting in redness, swelling, and sometimes pain. What burdock root does is that it effectively douses this inflammatory fire. But don't just take our word for it. The Journal of Biomedicine and Biotechnology in 2011 published a study that specifically looked at burdock root's impact on skin conditions. The results were quite promising. It showed that burdock root can help combat acne, one of the most common skin conditions that plague both teenagers and adults. Acne is often caused by an overproduction of sebum, an oily substance that helps protect the skin. However, when there's too much of it, sebum can clog pores, leading to the formation of those pesky pimples. The researchers found that compounds found in burdock root can help regulate sebum production, reducing the likelihood of acne breakouts. But the skin benefits of burdock root don't stop at acne. Its anti-inflammatory properties can soothe other skin issues as well, such as eczema and psoriasis. These conditions, characterized by dry, itchy, and inflamed skin, can be quite bothersome. But with regular use, burdock root can help alleviate these symptoms, providing much-needed relief. And it's not just about treating existing conditions. Consuming burdock root can also help maintain overall skin health. It's a powerhouse of antioxidants, essential nutrients that help protect the skin from harmful free radicals. So, consuming burdock root can help keep your skin looking youthful and vibrant. So, next time you're dealing with a stubborn skin issue, remember the burdock root might be your natural solution. Moving on, burdock root isn't just skin deep, it's a natural detoxifier too. This humble plant, native to northern Asia and Europe, serves as a powerful ally in the battle against toxins. But how does it achieve this feat? The answer lies in its role in aiding detoxification and improving lymphatic drainage. Firstly, let's talk about detoxification. Simply put, it's the process of clearing out toxins from our bodies. These toxins can come from various sources, including the food we eat, the air we breathe, and even the stress we experience. Over time, these toxins can accumulate, causing various health issues, from fatigue to chronic diseases. This is where burdock root comes in. It has been valued for its blood-purifying properties for thousands of years. By fostering natural detoxification, burdock root helps to cleanse our bodies and promote overall health. Now, onto lymphatic drainage. Our lymphatic system is a network of tissues and organs that help rid the body of toxins, waste, and other unwanted materials. In essence, it's our body's internal drainage system. This system can get clogged due to poor diet, lack of exercise, or illness. As a result, waste and toxins build up, leading to inflammation and disease. Burdock root, however, can help improve lymphatic drainage. It acts as a natural diuretic, promoting the flow of lymph fluid and helping to remove waste from the body. This is supported by a study published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology in 1999, which attests to burdock root's diuretic properties. In conclusion, detoxification and lymphatic drainage are vital for maintaining our health. And burdock root, with its blood-purifying and diuretic properties, plays a significant role in supporting these processes. So, whether you're consuming it as a vegetable, sipping it as a tea, or taking it as a supplement, burdock root is more than just a plant. It's a natural ally in your health journey. With burdock root, your body's detox system gets a natural boost. Now let's talk about something that concerns a large number of people globally: blood sugar levels. The management of blood sugar is a crucial aspect of overall health. Imbalances can lead to conditions such as diabetes, which affects millions of people worldwide. But what if there was a natural way to help manage these levels? Enter the burdock root. Burdock root, a plant native to Northern Asia and Europe, has been used for centuries for its health benefits, one of which is its potential to aid in managing blood sugar levels. It was traditionally used in various medicinal practices to treat conditions like diabetes. You may be wondering, what's the science behind this? Well, a study published in the Journal of Diabetes Research in 2014 found that burdock root might have the potential to lower blood sugar. The research indicated that compounds in the burdock root had an effect on insulin secretion, which is essential in blood sugar regulation. However, it's important to note that while these results are promising, more research is needed to fully understand the extent of burdock root's impact on blood sugar levels. So how can you incorporate burdock root into your diet? It can be consumed as a vegetable, brewed into a tea, or taken as a supplement. However, as with any dietary change, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare provider first. In conclusion, while not a standalone solution, burdock root could be a beneficial addition to a balanced diet aimed at maintaining healthy blood sugar levels. It's just another amazing benefit of this versatile plant. And remember, a healthy lifestyle, regular exercise, and a balanced diet are the key pillars to managing your blood sugar levels effectively. We've all heard about the importance of antioxidants, haven't we? Well, let's delve into how burdock root plays a role in this vital aspect of our health. Antioxidants are pivotal in the fight against free radicals, the unstable molecules that can damage cells in our bodies, leading to chronic diseases. Burdock root, as it turns out, is a veritable treasure trove of these health-boosting compounds. A study published in the Nutrients Journal in 2018 shed light on the impressive antioxidant properties of this humble root. According to the research, burdock root contains a variety of powerful antioxidants, including quercetin and luteolin. These compounds are known to effectively neutralize harmful free radicals, thus protecting our cells from potential damage. But the benefits don't stop there. These antioxidants also support our overall health in several other ways. They help to bolster our immune system, promoting our body's natural defense mechanisms. Moreover, they contribute to heart health by reducing inflammation and preventing the oxidation of bad cholesterol, which is a significant risk factor for heart disease. One of the most fascinating aspects of burdock root is its adaptability. Whether you consume it as a vegetable, brew it as tea, or take it as a supplement, you're getting a healthy dose of these potent antioxidants. So no matter your preference, you can easily incorporate burdock root into your diet and reap the benefits of its antioxidant properties. In a world where we're constantly exposed to pollutants and stressors that generate free radicals, it's essential to boost our antioxidant intake. And burdock root, with its rich antioxidant content, can be a valuable ally in this endeavor. So it's not just a root, it's a powerhouse of antioxidants. The list of benefits doesn't stop here. Burdock root is packed with even more advantages than the ones we've discussed so far. For example, it has been historically used in traditional medicine for its potential anti-cancer properties. While modern science is still exploring this aspect, preliminary studies indicate that the antioxidants in burdock root may play a role in inhibiting the growth of certain types of cancer cells. In addition to this, burdock root is also known to boost the immune system. Rich in vitamin C, it can stimulate the production of white blood cells, our body's first line of defense against infections and diseases. This goes hand in hand with its known detoxifying and blood cleansing properties, making it a holistic remedy for a stronger immune system. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. While burdock root is generally safe for consumption, it can have a few side effects, especially when consumed in large amounts. Some people may experience stomach upset, dehydration, or allergic reactions. It's especially important to be cautious if you're pregnant, nursing, or if you have a history of allergies to plants. Moreover, if you're on any medication, especially diuretics or diabetes medication, consult with your healthcare provider before adding burdock root to your diet. It has natural diuretic properties and can affect blood sugar levels, which could interfere with your medication. Lastly, always source your burdock root from reputable suppliers. Wild burdock root can be easily confused with harmful plants like belladonna, which can lead to serious health issues if consumed. While burdock root is beneficial, it's important to remember that moderation is key. It's a case of too much of a good thing can be bad, so enjoy the benefits of burdock root, but always do so responsibly and in moderation. We've journeyed through the world of burdock root, exploring its numerous benefits. From Northern Asia and Europe, this humble plant has been a source of wellness and vitality for centuries. It's a testament to the incredible power of nature, which continually provides us with remedies for a multitude of ailments and conditions. Let's take a moment to recap. We delved into the skin health benefits of burdock root, noting its anti-inflammatory properties and how they can potentially alleviate a variety of skin conditions. We then navigated the detoxification and lymphatic drainage benefits of this remarkable root, learning how it can support our bodies in removing toxins and maintaining a healthy lymphatic system. Our exploration continued with a discussion on blood sugar management. Burdock root's potential role in this area is a promising avenue for further research. The journey took us further into understanding the root's antioxidant properties, which are vital in combating free radicals and promoting overall health. We also touched on other benefits and precautions to be aware of when incorporating burdock root into your lifestyle. Remember, while natural remedies like burdock root can be incredibly beneficial, they should be used responsibly and in conjunction with advice from healthcare professionals. So, there you have it. A deep dive into the myriad benefits of burdock root, an ancient remedy that has stood the test of time. This journey is a reminder that nature, in its boundless wisdom, has provided us with a remedy for almost everything. Found this video useful? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. And before you go, thank you so much for watching our video, and please make sure to subscribe to our channel. If you want to watch out for the 9 signs of Lyme disease, watch the video on your screen next. Finally, remember to use our calorie and protein calculator in the description below to kickstart and track your fitness journey. It can be your companion and accountability partner on your journey to better health.